Here, dive into everything you need to know about vitamin C serums, including why to use one, how to apply it, and what are the benefits. But first of all, you should know that what is a vitamin C serum exactly and what's in it. A vitamin C serum is a skincare product packed with vitamin C. It has the consistency of a liquid or gel and is applied topically to the skin. You'll find these serums wherever you want. At departmental stores, beauty stores, and some drug stores too. On the packaging, you'll likely see words touting skin benefits like firming, brightening, and collagen boosting. Tapping into those benefits is the main reason to add a vitamin C serum to your skincare routine. The benefit of the vitamin C is it's an antioxidant, so it helps prevent the forming of free radicals which go on to break down collagen and elastin, Said says. The result, she says, is glowing, youthful skin. Now let's discuss why to use vitamin C serum and what are the benefits of it. Number 1 benefit. It lightens dark spots. Vitamin C helps lighten dark spots on the skin by restricting the enzyme responsible for the production of melanin. Dark spots form due to an overproduction of melanin, a dark pigment in your skin. This extra melanin production can be triggered by several things, including sun damage, pregnancy, taking certain medications, or aging. Number 2. Helps reduce signs of aging. Vitamin C also plays an essential role in the formation of collagen, which is a fibrous protein that helps form connective tissue in the skin. As the skin ages, collagen production decreases. This is what causes the skin to lose elasticity and sag. While skin aging is inevitable, daily use of vitamin C can help boost collagen production and slow down the aging process. Number 3. Helps with sun damage. When the sun strikes your skin, it forms what are called free radicals which lead to skin damage. But vitamin C can help limit this damage due to its antioxidant properties. Number 4. Minimizes redness and inflammation. Skin can get red and inflamed for many reasons, including acne, sun damage, skin conditions like dermatitis, and allergic reactions to certain medications. Vitamin C is an anti-inflammatory, which means it's meant to help reduce skin inflammation and redness, says Howard Sowell, MD, a dermatologist surgeon at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York. Anti-inflammatory are necessary for treating skin, and when used topically, like vitamin C, they can improve the skin's appearance by calming the redness down. Number 5. Helps skin heal. Vitamin C helps skin heal through several ways. When applied topically, directly to the wound, it stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, Sowell says. This triggers the skin to heal itself. Vitamin C boosts iron absorption, another nutrient necessary in wound healing. For people who are vitamin C deficient, taking 1000 milligrams of vitamin C supplements a day has been shown to drastically improve the healing of wounds. Now the question arises, how to use vitamin C for skin? So, topical formulations of vitamin C are available as a variety of creams, serums, and transdermal patches and come in different forms. The best vitamin C skincare products are serums that contain pure ascorbic acid. After cleansing, apply a topical vitamin C product in the mornings. Follow this up with the moisturizer and a broad-spectrum sunscreen. It takes several weeks of continuous use to see the benefits of vitamin C on the skin. Tell me in the comment sections that if you like the video. Thank you.